And in January, there was this narrative throughout that the Fed was going to cut rates. And we can actually see up through February, that's the purple line here, that it starts to come down towards the end of the year. The market was saying on February 1st that the Fed is going to actually cut rates a couple times by the end of the year. And that was widely held throughout January. That was supported some of the rally, it seemed. In the last couple days, that line's moving up. The futures are taking that price out, and they're saying rates are probably going to stay about where they are. There's probably not much of a cut coming. They're going to raise rates maybe once or twice coming forward. But again, the good sign here was the Fed pivot is no longer priced in markets, and stocks did not sell off with this news as there was a repricing.
So then what about this soft landing that we had been hearing about? Because I think that was why the market was starting to show a decrease in rates, as they expected moving into a recession or at least a soft landing. But
yeah, early on in the year, I have that big area circled called soft landing, no landing. We've been saying that soft landing it's possible. A hard landing would be a strong recession. That's probably not going to happen. And we thought it would be somewhere in between. Well, now the new information that's been coming out, this new narrative that people have been saying throughout January was no landing, that the economy is going to be just fine. And we actually heard it on our show when you were out last month. The guys from Wisdom Tree, they were some of the early on in that narrative, saying that they think their base case is no landing. And it seems that narrative has helped spark a technical rally. If you're willing to give a reason why you think there's a fundamental case for that, it's pretty difficult.
Well, the technicals are saying something different, right? The fundamentals, you can continue to say, hey, this is the most telegraphed recession, and there's a credible case, but at least the market, whenever we look at prices on what they're trading, they're no longer putting stock in that narrative as the most likely outcome. They're saying, well, maybe it's not as bad as we once feared.